I'll bet you want to make more money. Maybe you'd just like to supplement your current income. Or perhaps you've thought about even quitting your job completely, working a lot less while making a lot more. Before I show you a new system for making money working from home, I want to prove that this is 100% real. Money you're about to see is being earned by real people using the unique money-making techniques I'm going to share with you in this informative video for free. So if you want to learn about some proven methods to earn a good primary or secondary income from home in your spare time, pay close attention and watch this short video until the end. But first, here are a couple of things I am not going to do in this video. I'm not going to tell you that you're going to make $1 million a year with this, although the free bonuses I'll give you at the end of this video can be a big boost to your income. I'm not going to show you fake screenshots or false and elevated income earnings. But what I am going to do is show you the kind of money you can really expect to earn when you follow the instructions in this video. Because I do want you to understand how much you can start earning just a few minutes after this video ends. You will see that these methods really do work and that this is unlike anything you've ever seen before. So just a few minutes after this video ends, you'll have everything you need to immediately start earning up to $400 a day, with the potential to earn even more. By the way, when you're earning $400 a day, that equates to $12,000 a month, or $144,000 a year. So no, you're probably not going to earn $1 million your first year of doing this. But you certainly can earn a very nice six-figure income in your spare time with this from home on your own terms. And to start receiving this income, you only need to work 1 or 2 hours per day from home, or just several hours a week. You can even do this at night or on the weekends if you want. You make money with this whenever it's convenient for you, and it doesn't require a lot of hours. Now think about that. Our parents, our grandparents, and their parents, they had to work really hard, long hours to make a living. And today, you can make all this money from the internet without ever having to leave your home. If you currently have a job, you can easily start doing this in your spare time until your income from this exceeds your current income. Then you can quit your job if you want. Just imagine not having to wake up to an alarm clock, not having to spend hours in traffic, and not having to deal with coworkers or bosses. Imagine being able to work whenever you want, as much or as little as you want, and from any location in the world. Imagine making money and living life on your terms, not someone else's. With this, you literally could be making money while on vacation, relaxing by the pool, or any other place you choose. That's exactly what's happened to countless people, thanks to the methods you'll learn in this video. And chances are great that with our system and guidance, it can happen for you too. Again, I'm not going to insult your intelligence and say that you can make millions of dollars with this overnight. I'd be wary of anyone who makes such claims. What I will tell you, however, is that anyone can follow this very simple step-by-step system and be well on their way to earning their first few $1,000s per month from home on their own terms. And you can start making money today because you can easily get started just a few minutes from now. Use this extra money to pay off your bills, take a vacation, or treat yourself and your family to some nice things for a change. Then, implement some more advanced strategies from this home income system to take your income to the next level. I'm talking about earning hundreds of dollars per hour from home without any special skills or experience. It's all possible with this unique system. Now, this has nothing to do with multi-level marketing or anything like that. I'll explain how all this works in a moment. What you need to know right now is that this is absolutely 100% legal and ethical, and 100% real. If you can follow some very simple instructions, you too can absolutely make money with this. Actually, I've prepared another video where I show you exactly what the system is, how it works, and then you can get started immediately by following my simple instructions. If you're interested, I can send it to you right now, absolutely free of charge. There is one little problem though. As much as we'd love to, we simply don't have the time or resources to help every single person who visits this page. So, we do limit the number of people we teach this to, because that's the only way we can ensure they get proper guidance and the support we offer to actually succeed. Now, if there are free spots available right now, you should see a form appear below this video. Just type your email address into that form and we'll send you the next video right away. It's completely free and you can watch the video at your convenience. Learn how this simple system works, and if you decide to try it, you can start making money immediately. And I do mean immediately, like today. Go ahead and enter your email address right now. It's free. As soon as you sign up, you'll get instant free access to the second video, where I'll show you exactly how the system works and how you can profit from it. Go ahead and do it now. I'll be waiting for you on the other side. Enter your email address below this video right now.